Hi guys, today we're gonna draw love birds, two birds out of the letter 22, two sets of 22. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna draw a two, another two sets of 22 with a little bit of space in between, a space here in between. So now that we have our letter 22 written down, we're gonna go ahead and bring the color blue, and I'll start joining in the other parts that I want to show you guys. So we're gonna first of all draw a line at the bottom of the letters, and it's gonna cut across like this. Just follow through in order for you to be able to draw the birds. So you're gonna draw this one to close up. Whatever you draw on one set, draw on the other set as well. So now you're gonna go up here and you're gonna bring it up and draw this. And this side you're going to draw the same thing, bring it up and close it in. It depends, it doesn't have to be perfect, a circle, it just has to be, something. So you're going to go ahead over here and draw a line in between here as well. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the birds for our the eyes for our birds. So let me draw a circle and a circle. For the birds, I give them big circled eyes, and I can give them, I can do a little bit more details on the eyes to make them to be able to see. And I'm going to give them a mouth. Now you can see we already have birds in here going on. Oh, they're sitting on a piece of log on a tree. We're gonna add their tails like this. It doesn't have to be perfect in order for you to draw cute little birds, but you just have to follow through and you'll be able to draw the bird. And there you go. Now you have two birds sitting on a piece of tree, and you could draw. Now we're going to bring the color red, and we're going to draw a heart in between here to show that they are friends. And you can go ahead and actually add some color. We're going to make one of the birds reddish, so I'm going to add another layer. And I'm gonna bring my shading brush, and I'm gonna make one of the birds reddish. And I'm gonna make the other one yellow. This is Valentine's Day birds. Let me make the other one yellowish. Like this. And this is how you draw birds. Let me take the color for the yellow, and I'll give it to this guy on his wings. And I'll take the color for this one, and I'll give it to this guy on his wings. One of them, they're friends. They're Valentine's birds. And that's it. That's how you draw two birds sitting on the tree. And thank you so much guys for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye-bye.